This is the unboxing of the AVACRAFT 1810 12-inch stainless steel frying pan with lid, side spouts, induction, Tri-Ply stainless steel 12-inch version. Let's check it out. It's interesting because, yeah, when I opened up the box from Amazon, it came with this hole in it, and this hole's from the handle. Let's see if I shifted the box a bit, but as you might be able to see, the handle pushed through. Like that, and caused this hole. It's a handle right there. Anyway, let's open this thing. But first, take a look at the box. The things that stands out the most. It's just some features over here. I bought this specifically over the others because it has a lid. I want a lid with it. Also, there's 2 side spouts on each side. I want to see if it makes it easier to cook things. Also, it says it's a dishwasher safe. Where does it say that? Dishwasher safe over here. Yeah, I read somewhere that sometimes, even though it says dishwasher safe for a frying pan, it might not be 100% dishwasher safe because maybe your dishwasher might be too strong. So anyway, yeah, in the meantime, let's check it out. Let's unbox it. Here this is. I don't see any previous scratches on there. I see some scratches over here. I mean, there's crazier. There are more things to worry about, right? Silica gel packet. Yeah, looks fine. Yeah, there's some scratches over here. Don't know if you can see it in the camera, but once again, got other things to worry about. Right here, can you see it? Let's open this up. Get this plastic off. What is this plastic even? How did they even get this plastic on there? Oh, probably put it on through here and then screwed it down. So go like this, just rip it off. Oop. It's this thing over here. What the heck is this thing? Probably just to keep it separate. I don't know. Yeah, looks fine. I don't expect all products to be perfectly 100% scratch free. Over here, let's see if there's any more other scratches on the mirror finish, mirror-ish finish. It's not supposed to be a mirror. Some scratches over here. Yeah, once again, there's like some scratches over here. Once again, life's not perfect. That's the end of this unboxing video.